And we are back on the WHHI-TV Daily News. With me now is Latoshia Middleton, and she is the Director of School Counselors for the Beaufort County School District. Thank you for being here today. We have an exciting event coming up, or maybe it's a couple of events, I'm not sure, you're going to tell me, but it's all about financial aid. So talk to us about why the district is hosting this event.
The district hosts financial aid nights to help students and families navigate the financial resources available to them for higher education. Our goal is to provide guidance on the financial aid process, assist in completing the FAFSA, and ensure families are aware of the scholarships and grants that are available to them.
Well, and I can tell you from personal experience that filling out the FAFSA is kind of a daunting experience. So any help that you can get is a good thing. So who can attend these nights? When are they being held? Where are they being held? And what can they expect, from attending?
Okay, financial aid nights are usually open to all high school students and their parents, especially juniors and seniors. But we also invite middle school parents if they want to get a head start on what's going on, for their students who want to go to college. Attendees can expect to receive information about how to apply for financial aid, details on the different types of aid, and the tips on completing the application accurately. We'll also have experts there from several state agencies and our local colleges to help assist them in this process.
Well, those experts, I'm sure, are going to be very, very helpful. Is there something that they need to bring? Because I know there's a lot of information that goes onto some of these forms. Should they have some of that information with them on the nights that they attend?
They should bring out a device if they want to have their FSA ID, which is their Federal Student Aid ID. If they want to have that, help us assist them in getting that, then I would suggest they bring a device and also a notebook, because there'll be a lot of information given to them from each of the agencies about scholarships and financial aid.
And I know we've talked about financial aid quite a bit. Does that, and you maybe have mentioned this, I'm not sure, but does that include scholarships as well? Because I know there's so many opportunities for scholarships, and I think people don't know where to look for that.
Yes, they will talk about scholarships. The Commissioner on Higher Education will be there. They'll talk about our state scholarships, the Life, Palmetto Fellows, and the Hope scholarships. We'll have South Carolina Tuition and Grants there, and also TCL's financial aid administrator, and also USEB. So they'll talk about all the scholarships that they have. We also have the military liaison who talk about scholarships for military students, and Coastal Community Foundation who will talk about the scholarships that they offer for our students as well.
Okay, well that is very helpful. And did you mention the dates of the events?
The dates are October 29th and 30th. October 29th, it'll be held at Battery Creek High School in the auditorium from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And on the 30th, it will be at Bluffton High School from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m.
And do attendees need to register beforehand, or do they just show up?
They just show up. We welcome all.
Well, thank you so much for offering this great resource for financial aid. I know, as I said, it's kind of hard to navigate, so I think this is a great resource, and thank you so much for being here today to share with us about it.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Thanks to everyone on the show today for their insights and contributions. As always, our production team is behind the scenes to make all of this possible. And of course, we are honored that you have chosen to share a part of your day with us. I'm Betsy McDaniel, and we'll see you for the next WHHI-TV Daily News.